Hi guys, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. I'm going to show you this brand new 2020 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. A beautiful Sea Ray blue. Comes with a dual axle galvanized trailer with brakes. Look at the attention to detail. Embossed Sea Ray branded cleats, stainless steel rub rail. Really great character lines on this boat. This comes with a bimini top and a 150 horsepower outboard motor. Let's go ahead and step aboard and show you some of the features that we ordered here in this boat. It's located at our Pompano Beach showroom. Boarding ladder, port side, transom door, nice large sun pad. This is that new stone gray interior for 2020. They maximize the space. So if you take a look, for a 21-foot boat, you got ample amount of seating. Igloo cooler. You also have a built-in insulated cooler box under the back seat. Lots of chrome hardware, grab handles, cup holders. We got this equipped with the 2 captain's chairs. Comfortable, plush, nice support. We also have a Fusion stereo system on this boat. Bluetooth connectivity. 5-inch Simrad screen, which is a GPS, as well as your engine controls. As we also have your analog gauges there. Guys, it's Justin Costello, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, showing you a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. I'd love to show you this boat. We can set up an appointment to get you on the water. 954-633-2070.